What's up everyone, my name is Rishab Gupta. In this video I'll tell you how to perform Zingaat jump rope dance. This is going to be my first jump rope dance tutorial in which I will tell you how to jump rope on a particular music. So let's begin. Before we begin with this tutorial, I would like to tell you that you would have to practice total 6 jump rope tricks to perform this jump rope dance routine. I have kept all the easy ones and excluded the hard ones. So the first jump rope trick which you need to practice is side swing. This is one of the most versatile jump rope tricks which you can learn easily. The second jump rope trick is crisscross. This is one of my favorite. And the third one is pendulum. Now if you don't know about this jump rope trick, all you just have to do is jump back and forth while swinging the rope. The fourth one is alternative steps. If you have just begun rope jumping, this is going to take some time to learn this one. Now these were the 4 jump rope tricks. Remaining 2 are quite difficult compared to these 4. So you would have to put that extra effort to learn these jump rope tricks. The 5th one is quick rotation. If you don't know how to do this, I've done a tutorial on that and you can find it on my YouTube channel. The 6th one is up and over. Don't worry about this. I'll explain it to you how to do this in this tutorial only. I've broken down this routine into 5 parts. So in the first part, we'll perform pendulum on the beat of drums. We'll start like this. We'll perform it approximately for 6 seconds depending upon the music. In the second part, we'll perform 2 jump rope tricks one after another. Up and over, side swing, and then again up and over. In the beginning I told you I'll explain it to you how to perform up and over. So we'll begin with that first. To do that, we'll start with a basic swing. Now all you have to do is lift your left feet up and tap the ground. You have to find the correct rhythm to tap the ground. Like this. Practice this on one side and then tap here. Now combine these two. And that's how you perform up and over. Now it may look quite easy. I made it so easy, but it is not. There are 2 components which you need to take care of while performing this jump rope trick. The first one is you should have that strength in your one foot to jump again and again while swinging the rope. And second is you have to find the correct rhythm to tap the ground, like this. Practice this as many times as possible. Then only you will be able to perform this jump rope trick. Now we will begin with the second part, which is of total of 15 seconds. 6 seconds up and over, 4 seconds side swing, and then 5 seconds up and over again. So let's begin. In the third part, we'll perform 3 jump rope tricks. First we'll perform side swing, then we'll perform quick rotation, and in the end up and over. And we'll start like this. Now in the fourth part, which is for 7 seconds, we'll perform alternative steps. Now there are so many ways of performing this jump rope trick, but the easiest one is this one. But I prefer the other version of it because of the song which I have chosen. It will look somewhat like this. It depends upon you, which one do you like. Finally, we'll perform the 2 jump rope tricks, crisscross and pendulum. We'll mix these 2 tricks depending upon the music, and it will look like this. guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a try. I hope you will enjoy performing this jump rope dance routine, and I'll see you in the next video.